how to make your summary for your current event on a slide. So the first thing you have to do is open up Google Slides, and you can do that easily on your Chromebook or at home, wherever you happen to be. So the first thing I think you should do is get rid of the text boxes, because if you don't get rid of them, we'll be able to see them. The first thing you want to do is find an image, and I'm going to do the one for brushing your teeth. And so I already went on to Google Images, and there's a lot. I Googled brushing your teeth, but I found one that I want to use. And so I'm going to say insert image from the computer, and I'm going to say brush your teeth. Boom. So I've already resized this, but you'll have to, obviously you can resize it, but I think you should stretch it out so it fits the entire screen. And the other thing you're going to want to do, and this is kind of important, is if your image is too dark, it's going to fight with the text that you're going to lay on top of it. So what you should do is go to Format, Format Options, go to Adjustments, and then the transparency. If you'll watch me as I take this all the way up to 50, it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. And if you still have those text boxes behind your image, you're going to see that. And so that's why I wanted you to get rid of them. So I think it's nice to, this is called ghosting it also, making it a little more transparent so it's not fighting with your text. So play around with that. I'm going to take it right to about here, 50% approximately. And then the next thing I want to do is insert my text box. Where I'm going to write my entire summary. And it's best that you have the summary already kind of written out on a piece of paper so that it's not too difficult to do. And I do have this somewhere else. And I'm going to go ahead. I've already done this, so I'm going to insert paste. Boom. There it is. There's mine. And you know what I didn't do to this? I'm going to drop shadow it, because sometimes with an image in the background, if I drop shadow it, that'll help. So I'm going to format options, and it's the drop shadow, and it's already black font, so I need to change the drop shadow. I'm not going to use black. Maybe yellow might work, or maybe even hot pink or something, but you can figure that out on your own. I just want not too far away. I want the text to pop so I can actually read it. And please make sure that you actually sign your name, because we want to know who did this. And then you're done. See me if you have any questions. All right, hope that helped.